G'day everyone, Scott and Tara here from One Green Thumb Gardening in Toowoomba. Today we're just going to do a demonstration of the new Ego 45cm battery chainsaw. So here's our little beauty. So I've got a 7.5 amp on the side, and so the things I do like about it, it's got a light which I have used, and the clear oil screen, so you can actually tell how much oil you got in it, which is great rather than have to open up.
That? I didn't see it. Oh.
So you got your clear oil thing there.
Oh, yeah.
So if I go like that, you can see she's half full. The only thing that I find a bit you can't over tighten. So see how, to me that's got too much slack. So when I'm cutting a large hedge and I'm only doing stuff as big as your thumb, but you want to get right in with the extra length, it does throw the chain off. Other than that, it's pretty good. Power wise is sensational, but I find it with the solid hardwood. So we're going to do a ironbark railway sleeper, jacaranda, camphor laurel, and some other dried up wood. That's pretty light, so I'll just show you. But the love of easy starting is so nice compared to good old petrol power chainsaw. So it's just click in there and pull your trigger and hold on to her, and then yeah, you've got your brake, so she doesn't work. So we'll start with a hardwood. Actually, that went pretty nice. So like, to me, see how that chain's pretty sloppy, and you can't manually tighten it any more than that. But so that's the only disadvantage I've found. So this is jacaranda. Some other species of this timber's super light. I don't know what it is. It's got little prickles. And we'll do some camphor laurel. So this one's all dried and hardened. Harder to get through than the.
It smells good. It's probably just because it's.
Although because of the sheer.
You're using the whole bar.
Yeah. Opposed to chopping down that way.
If you put it up on its side, you probably get more of a.
Oh yeah, so she's
and you charred her.
And we charred it nice and dry.
Nice strings.
Oh, got me off on. Yeah. So Here's a quick video of the new Ego. What model is this? The CS1800e chainsaw. Overall, for what I use it for, I'm pretty happy with it. And yeah, only that one complaint about that. Otherwise, it is wonderful just to start a chainsaw first time, have the oil thing, and for what I use it for, it's got plenty of grunt.
What would you use it for?
So as a Gardner landscaper, I use it mostly on green timber. I don't use it so much on dead wood. But yeah, just cutting back trees, trimming trees. Thick hedging, where I've got to go through a wide hedge to cut it right back. So that's where I'm doing the really sticky stuff, like smaller, what are they, 30mm branches, got lots of it.
But it's your ground saw.
But yes, so it's a ground saw. I did try to use it up a tree. It's at 9.9 kilos with a 7.5 amp in it. So she's pretty heavy. You can't really use it one-handed. And then with the backpack on it, you just got the cord and everything in the way, so it becomes a bit annoying. Other questions?
That's it.
So yeah, hopefully that was helpful. If you could either give me a thumbs up or just let me know what you think of the video so that I can improve my videos, that would be wonderful. So thanks for watching One Green Thumb Gardening. Have a wonderful day. See ya.